One of the biggest hidden costs in catheter tipping is not only the die, it's replacing the entire cassette. With the ONEX RF Cassette, you can just replace the die, which means you only pay for the parts that you need. During the R&D and validation phases, when you're iterating on tip designs, this modularity keeps your tooling costs low. It also simplifies your spare parts inventory when you move into high volume production. Watch me replace this die in 10 seconds, blindfolded. Ready, set, go. How's that? Keep your process lean with ONEX RF cassettes.